Today I'm going to talk to you about my little silk wall hangings here, which I've called Turtle Dove Tree for obvious reasons. This is a lovely little design that you can rustle up in time for Christmas. Actually, they make a really nice gift to give away at Christmas as well. And these two little hangings I've done here, I've used silk for all the piecing and whatnot. So that works, these things work very well as nice little hangings, make a nice gift. You can see I've used little mother of pearl buttons on here. The birds, I've given them eyes, no legs, but they have got eyes. Again, be really careful about what you use for the eyes. You want something small. You don't want great huge eyes. You just want something nice and small and dainty on there. Now, if silk isn't your thing, or if you would like to make this into a cushion, you can very easily do that. And here's one I've got here. So with this one, I have used linen. I think linen and red fabric is a really nice combination. So I've used linen as the background here, a selection of red fabrics for the applique.